Alright. Get it?
I got it.
Oh wow. Push it in.
Morning.
Afternoon,
Like
afternoon.
man can't feed and feed.
Don't put your sin find that.
Can't feed and feed, man.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and we are in Mandeville in a place called Belvedere Heights. I think this particular district is called George's Ridge. I stand corrected if it's not the correct name, but it's George Ridge. Alright, so we're on our way to visit two elderly people who would have called us because there is a need. And so when we get to them, you will hear more. So before we do that though, please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. So once we post a new video, you will be updated. Alright. Moving fast. I can only imagine with the weight by your shoulder. Ooh. Okay. Have to do this before the rain. Oh wow. Okay. Hear the thunder, Marcel. Rain is close. Hello.
Watch us the best.
Oh. Oh, okay. Hi.
Yeah,
How you doing?
not bad.
Now we come to.
Yes, sir.
Now you come to.
My wife, sir.
Fella, you call me.
I'm call you, but
So, okay, so you are Mas Alvin.
yes.
Okay, okay. Alright, so go ahead now. So
Yeah, you can come in.
I could follow you.
You can put it on the table in that stuff.
When I live up here again.
A strong man like you.
Hey, so what you guys doing?
Fine.
Not bad.
Okay, okay.
Boy.
You look tired, man.
Then we not tired.
Likkle.
Look on the hill.
Yes.
When we come down, you walk go up that hill when you're ready?
No,
No,
sir.
he can't walk.
You can't walk up there.
Oh, are you have to do it for her?
And she have to do it. Him have to do it for me.
Oh, okay, okay. Alright, so Mas Alvin,
Yes, ma'am.
we spoke on the phone and you explained the situation and all of that.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are set up so you can talk to us a little bit, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, Mas Alvin, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Okay, okay. And so you're Alvin what's your last name?
Win.
Huh?
Win.
Wint. Alvin Wint.
Yes.
And what is your name?
Judith Wayne.
Judith Wint. Alright, so Mas Alvin, you would have called us and you explained something to us on the phone. And that is why we're here today. So tell us what the challenge is for you. Tell us, just explain the situation and everything.
Well, the food is up. The food is not available sometimes.
Food is not available sometime.
No, and once a while we get a liquor. But
Once in a while you get what?
once a while, you get a little food.
Like persons will help you.
Like that person, remember we carry something, come and leave it, like it's a yam, like, or one potato.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because there's a gentleman who would have called us. He said that because how we knew about you before we spoke on the phone,
Yes.
the gentleman used to come to you and help you out of St. Elizabeth,
Yes.
him and his wife.
Yes.
Plenty.
From St. Elizabeth, yes. So he said that he met in an accident and so he does not have the vehicle available anymore to come and visit you to bring you food and so like they normally do.
Yeah.
So they reached out to us to see if we could help in any way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, and so that is how you would have called us after that because he gave our contact to you, Mas Alvin.
Yes.
All right. So you're saying no. So they're no longer able as it is to bring you food because of the transportation issue that they have. Because you're in Mandeville, they live in St. Elizabeth, which is quite some distance away.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right,
And
so-
I can understand that too because from the vehicle is not available.
And
Yes.
she said when she come, I must call her. The lady what make me talk to you. She tell me when you come, I must call to her, call her up on her phone.
Oh, okay, okay. All right. So your situation is now food is a problem for you.
Oh, yeah.
You're not able to provide as you normally do because your wife is sick.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So talk to us about that.
Well, the providence for the food, we don't get it like how we should have get it still, but we still use up the liquor where we have at all time to just keep up.
So you have are there days when you don't have anything to eat?
Yes, there, yes, but is under the support of the shop, support of the shop.
Or you go to the shop to buy or credit?
No, we have to go there and credit.
You credit
But,
it
yes, I do it 2 times or 1 time for the week.
for the week,
Yeah.
and then you get to pay the bill.
Well, sometime I get a $5,000 when I go town and book up anybody when I move around.
Oh, so you're basically just living, and then when somebody pop in and give you some food or a little change,
Yes.
then that's how you
We just go and
survive.
take it and go and use it, salting and them thing there
Yes,
when we get them.
yes, and because of your wife's illness, she don't eat certain things.
No.
Okay.
And
What does she eat?
well, as me tell you, I give her a little of
The
the.
doctor really take me out for the
have to give her
part, the fine part, the fine, and I must eat only vegetables. Cabbage, only sort of cabbage, them say I must eat. I can't eat no flour, no rice, nothing at all. Me I say, well, me can live off of that and not eat
Well, as me tell
rice
you,
or flour.
as me tell you, I mix it sometime, in like cooking style. Like, we 2 days, me not cook no rice or no flour. I just the cabbage when I go on. Then me mix it and come in with the drop of flour and the drop of rice. Then me have to mix it.
So you cook every day?
Yes,
Yeah.
I have to do that.
Oh, because your wife is unable to move around.
Yes, she's unable to do that.
Okay, okay. So is you take care of her
Oh,
daily?
yes, daily.
Every
Right
day I look after me.
Oh, so you bathe her, wash clothes,
Everything.
cook, clean, everything?
Everything.
Mom.
Okay, how long have you been married?
Well, Carly say about for 27 years.
Okay. So what you used to do for a living before now, Mas Alvin?
Well, before now I used to do a little mason work. But I get a little strain into the hospital. I have to reach hospital for the little strain me get. And when me go there, it's like them tell me, say, ulcer me have. And you know, ulcer don't stop bleed same time when you have it. So then do me about a week. And then after that, you know, we stay there until when time then say, it get better. Then I come and get a little relief, but I don't come out back and go and start doing the heavy work again.
So it's when you stop doing the mason work?
Well,
How long ago?
well, about 9 years now.
9 years. Also, over 9 years now you no work.
Yeah, 9 years.
Okay, okay. And what you used to do, Miss Judith?
I used to clean gutter. I used to go people's house, like not from nearby, but Port Road. Monday to Friday, I have to go up, and I get $1,000 to do it. And then when me charge them big money, they don't want to pay.
So how much was the big money you were charging?
2,000.
That's how the big money. But you only get 1,000.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
If she even look at 2,000, like I said, the $1,000 just work out back like $2,000.
Yes. So you
Maybe
haven't.
did enough that time.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So you have any children?
One.
One.
Yeah.
Okay. So is a boy or girl? Is she able to
Girl.
help? Or him or her able to
It's
help?
a girl. Me have to call her, but she said, when me ask her for money, she said she don't have no money.
She says she have to pay some responsibility because she have a little small youth to go to school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they give me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But then the little movement me have to do to get the food in a place and me have to go and get it and
So, okay. So how you take care of the medical bill for your wife?
well, it's sometimes when I don't get it at the pharmacy, I have to go and buy it. But
So-
buy it is there.
So where you
what-
get the money to buy it?
Well, so I do everything in my power to keep Judith. Judith 6 years now.
Yes.
And
So,
before the corona did come, she did sick before that. But she never have it at that time. After, because it's a 5 year, in the space of 5 years she sick in the corona. 5 years, because the very first day when time the corona started and come in, I was in the town. Yes, I was in the town the first day. The corona started with her. And it's like say, she would have tried to tell me that she don't touch nobody. Nobody not touch her, but I tell her say, it is a spiritual thing when I move. If somebody have it and pass through you, you gone. If somebody will left, that breeze there, that feeling there, you gone.
Okay, okay.
So, you don't know how we go.
Oh, so she took sick from that time and she
Yes.
has not walked since that time.
Well, after them time that she not walk. So, me put him say, she now walk with 6 years now.
Okay.
And the 2 foot.
But sometimes when the foot give her a little problem, you still get to work and take some of the rubbing from the medication when they sick and try to get it on it. Sometimes when it's well, he rub it, he get down. But after being, she work on it and you know, it is well back.
Yeah. So how you get around the house, Miss Judith?
I work at the side door and come outside.
So how you get around? You walk out there?
I walk out there.
But
So
she have a problem if you go out there. And
So she
come
can't
back.
actually walk then?
No.
But she can't walk for long?
You can lock. But
Like-
when I walk for long, they go out and come in. My back pain me.
And like she walk 1 year or 2 days so.
Yes.
And by the time she return around, the pain in her foot.
Oh.
So she can't make no, like a journey where she always do them the journey they can't do and make again.
Right, so she couldn't then go up the road. She have to
No.
just walk in at the house or so.
Just in the house.
Okay, okay.
So when last you see up on the road?
I can take lots of
Let's take
stuff.
a picture of the car, I can show you.
So is you build this house, Alvin?
Well, yes, ma'am.
Because you say you used to do mason work.
Yes, because at that time me may not get a little change. So the little change them we may not get me try to buy one and few block and then when me buy them me try to get them all but it's only the cement part being holding me all through the building my God.
Okay, okay.
And me try to close one night. But the rest of it me can't close this so
Oh, so is this room you stay in?
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. So there's another room around there though?
Yes, it's another room around there.
Okay. Okay.
That room around there want to seal up. Sealing in there, you know, but they want to seal up.
Okay. Alright, so anything else you would like to share?
Well, it's only one touch me did have to say like, me did only tell you that we don't have the finance where we carry it through and we area surrounded people them not help me and then when you make me get $1 from one of them.
Okay. So they know that you're in need?
Yes. Them know.
Okay.
But them keep off with like something wrong or
Okay, okay.
but I know nothing wrong.
Yeah.
So we don't tell them when time anything happen like we want to cook food. Which if we can spin around it, get around it.
Okay. So food
If I eat a little we get, you know.
Yes.
We're satisfied with the little.
Yes. So
We
food
spend
is
out
it?
it and see about it.
Yeah.
If I 500, you know, say 250 or 150 I go use. And I go save something out there. Yeah.
So what you would have buy with the 150 for dinner if you were to get a $500?
Well, a pound of chicken back. Me come out
Can't buy
of it.
chicken back.
Him say, me come outside.
Me come out of it.
Because that 350.
Chicken back.
Yeah.
It's $3.50 a pound for the chicken back?
Yeah. 350.
So $150 left out of your 500.
Right.
So where you da buy again to make up the dinner?
Well, as me would have put it so, me would have maybe get a cabbage.
Oh, because your wife can't eat the
Yes.
chicken back, so that would be for you, and then you'd have to buy the cabbage for her.
Yes.
So cabbage alone you can eat?
Yes, that's the
I know that alone she eat, but she mostly particular we eat the remedy where the doctor say. But me still, as me said, me mix the food cooking little.
You buy too much at one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what and what the doctor say you can eat? Vegetables and what?
Well,
vegetables. Only vegetables.
no, she said me can use stew meat.
Oh,
But the stew meat when me I use now, me tell him say, sometimes when it's stew, me no like when it's stew sometimes. But then say the only way and the only something for you.
okay.
For you do for save her. So well, I'd try to do everything when they tell me to do.
So she can eat like banana,
Yes.
plantain, and them something there?
Yes. She will.
Okay, you drink porridge, like cornmeal porridge and
Yeah.
those
Yeah,
things?
she will.
Yeah.
Yes, she will.
Okay. Alright, so that means she wouldn't eat no tin food at all then?
Well, the tin food, I can tell you. Once a while when you cook the cabbage or the callaloo, you could have the tin put on, yes, but you take it in and mix.
Mix it in there.
Yes, so you don't use it in
alone.
Like a meat, like.
Yeah.
You have it put on sometimes. That's when you use the cabbage, you have it to use inside.
Okay, okay.
Yes. I need a help, and my name is Alvin Wint, and I try in every way to help my wife Judith Wint, but as she have it in the open world, so that she named Judith Brooks, but she hold on the two names, but I know she know that it is one name.
Yeah.
So, well, I wish if people would have see the situation and see if them can reach out to it and see if they can give anything, like whether a donation or whether food. If them think that it's possible for we, if we get, them can bring it, and we appreciate.
Okay.
We appreciate all the works and the giver we come and we make we be like somebody will think about themselves, say yes, we are somebody. Because you know people out there don't take with somebody. Then take we like we are use, we like we are animals, but true we know for ourselves, say. We believe in Jesus Christ.
Yes.
And we have a faith and a power and a saying, say, if you're hungry, touch one another and tell you one another. That's nobody outside there now. Here, say you're hungry. Well, they will ask how we get money, how we live. But if somebody give me something, we don't carry go show everybody. Because I want my life to change. Well, as soon as we can get something to change your life, I will be the one what I want to be. Same Alvin Wint.
Alright, so everyone, you would have heard Mr. Alvin and his wife. You heard their plea,
Yes.
and if there's any way in which you are able to help, we ask that you please do. Alright, so Mas Alvin and Miss Judith,
Yeah.
you know, based on what Mr. Alvin would have explained to us on the phone, we were able to put together some grocery items, and also we're able to bring a banana. Marcel cut it this morning, and we brought you some plantains as well, so you have green plantains in there.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
So based on what you explained that Miss Judy eat, we were able to bring some of those stuff. So we have oats and cornmeal, cooking oil.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and you have a whole big bunch of banana here.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so everyone, until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Like I said before, if there is any way in which you are able to help, please do so. All right. And until next time, thanks for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
And loves too.
Yes, all right.
Hallelujah.
Okay.
Yes.